stop myself from speaking ill. For people do not stop themselves from doing wrong. For of doing wrong a man should have anger strong. And from anger should issue an ill cry, sharp and shrill. And from ill cry blame to the guilty, as is just. And from blame punishment to the evildoer's dust. For so it goes there where righteousness holds its sway, and when there is none to press the guilt away, at least the ill-speaking and the outcry of the just is shame and dishonor to the blamed as it must. Therefore a wicked man is called evil and base, for he is a vessel of ills where anger makes its place, and covetousness and pride and deceit's disgrace, wrong and lying and ill will all in one case. In such a vessel this is called wickedness, just as in the worthy man worth his name no less. And the wickedness that the wicked fills and feeds works like the fire that from the wood proceeds, for flame and heat destroy it in their press. So wickedness destroys its own possess. For a man is destroyed and stripped of power and grace when some baseness has put him under its sway. For folly is conquered his good sense in the race, and wrong is conquered right and sin virtue's face. The man is worse than a living thing turned to decay, from whom all the good savor has ebbed away, which a worthy man would never deign to drink. And wickedness that teaches the barons how to sing turns them so from wicked to worse in its array, till it has changed them from thieves to traitors, I say. Joy should he have who is not of their private band, and who does not wish to go along such a way. For no man can have their company or their sway, unless he is false and a glutton and a renegade at hand, to help them carry out the ugly tricks they have planned. So they want gluttons and robbers by night and day, to take away bread and wine and meat and wood, cows and oxen, let none hold back, who understood vineyards and meadows, lands and fields that pay, fiefs and freeholds, manors and castles and towers in array. And the devil who has raised up many men, lifting them as high as ever he could do, till at the last he cast them down again to so low a place that they were dishonored through and through. This he does to the great powers, it is true. Wicked and fallen men, disinheritors by trade, whom the devil counsels and for whom he lays the snare. And he never wants them to remember God in prayer, but shows them to follow such a path as they have made, that they should fear neither God nor